It's a 2019 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth streaming audio, heated steering wheel, front wheel drive, automated parking sensors, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com adds the 2016 XTS's real leg up on the competition is its spacious interior, particularly in the back seat, as well as its cavernous trunk. Cadillac is driving the world forward. Take it for a test drive today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.